Hi friends, my name is Chetan Kumar. I'm working as a physical design engineer in Optomitra Consultancy. Today I'm going to talk about how the electron and proton are discovered. So this is discovered by the cathode ray experiment, cathode ray tube experiment. So today I'm going to explain about that. So to understand how this started, the experiment, we should understand the basic concept. So, you might have experienced this when we rub a balloon against our hair and try to stick to the wall. It will stick. So, what what is the reason behind it? So, here the wall is positively charged and the balloon is negatively charged. So, uh, because they are opposite charges, they attract each other. The charges on these two in turn develop due to the charged particle present in them. Such charged particle present in every matter. So because of this, the balloon will stick to the wall. So to understand this, how the we should understand the topic of atom. So what is an atom? Atom is a very so this is atom. Here you can see in the nucleus there is a proton and neutron, and electron is orbiting around the nucleus. So it's a fixed path. So here we can see that electron is negatively charged and proton is positively charged. So how these charges, like it's positively charged or it's negatively charged, how it came? So it is because of the experiment conducted by J.J. Thomson. So this is the setup of cathode ray tube. Here you can see that this is the cathode negatively charged plate and this is the anode positively charged plate, and this is the battery. This is a glass tube which in which the pressure is maintained at low using the vacuum pump. So here when we try to pass the cathode rays, it here you can see that greenish. This is a cathode rays. When we try to pass this in a glass tube, it will attract towards the positive plate. So, so what J.J. Thomson did was he assumed that this rays might have had a negatively charged particles. That's why it got attracted towards the positive plate. So he later named it as the electron. Next, uh, so that is how the electron was discovered, and as atom is electrically neutral, there must be some positive charged particle inside it. So these positively charged particles were later discovered by Goldstein in 1986. The setup for this experiment is almost similar to the cathode ray tube which was used by J.J. Thomson. Here you can see that this is a positively charged plate, sorry, negative charged plate, and this is a positively charged plate. And uh, This is the fluorescence screen. See, this is the perforated cathode plate, which is positively charged, and this is the fluorescent screen. On the passing of elec- uh, electric discharge, and the rays were observed which traveled at the direction just opposite to the cathode rays. So here you can see that this is a cathode rays, but there is one more rays which was attracted towards the negatively positive. This is the uh, electrons which is attracted towards the, so which on passing the electric discharge, the rays were observed and which traveled at the direction just opposite to the cathode rays. So this wave named is canal rays, and they passed from the canal like holes, as the direction was just opposite to the opposite. It was concluded that there must be made up of some positively charged particle. So these are positively charged protons. So here, this is how the proton was discovered. So now we know that electron is negatively charged and proton is positively charged, and these are some properties of the electron and protons. The charge of an individual electron is minus 1.02 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs, and proton it's the same but with a positive sign, and mass of electron is 9.107 into 10 raised to minus 28 grams, and mass of proton is 1.672 into 10 raised to 24 grams. So now we know that this is the negatively charged particles, which is attracted towards the positive plate and it's repelled by the negative plate. So the direction will be towards the positive plate. Here you can see that the positively charged plates are the particles are attracted towards the negatively charged plate and it's repelled going away from the positively charged plate. Thank you.